Welcome all. Today I am with another video based on the topic vaccination of kittens and cats. All kittens need vaccinations to help keep them healthy, and vaccinations which protect against dangerous diseases are recommended for all kittens and adult cats. All kittens should receive a vaccination that protects against three core diseases: feline rhinotracheitis, feline calcivirus, and feline panleukopenia. These are all diseases frequently found in the general cat population. Protection against all three of these viruses is generally provided in a combination vaccine, that is 3 in 1, also called FVRCP. The vaccination schedule for FVRCP begin at 8 weeks of age, followed by boosters at 12 weeks, 16 weeks, and then annually. Rabies is the other core kitten vaccination. Your kitten can receive a rabies vaccination as early as 12 weeks of age and then will need booster every year. I know that you all pet lovers would be definitely interested in health and welfare of your pets. Please subscribe the channel Our Animals, Our Treasures for more useful information on pets. Well, this is going to help you a lot. Thank you.